Good day, everyone. We are the Group 6, and today we are going to present our research proposal entitled A Correlational Study on the Academic Performance and College Readiness of Silliman University Senior High School Students.
So, for the background of the study, college preparation and academic success are an essential part of deciding who as a potential applicant may be eligible for college or university entry. The purpose of this study is to evaluate the relationship between academic performance and college readiness of senior high school students at Silliman University. For the growth of any nation in the current era of globalization, growing economy and rapid development, the improvement of quality performance and retention rates in educational activity is of considerable importance. Teaching is taken into consideration for someone to be of great importance because it is responsible for getting decent work, success, and better opportunities for a living. There is a need to emphasize the availability of specialized knowledge and technical skills, especially for senior high school students. With the rising number of educational institutions, college education and a university degree can be a real desire for each student because it is a visa for his or her future and victory in life. That is why college readiness and academic performance are an essential part of deciding who has a potential applicant may be eligible for college or university entry, so that they are ready for school and increase their productivity and livelihood opportunities, contributing to the economic development of a country.
Statement of the problem. Thus, this proposed study aims to assess the relationship between the academic performance of senior high school students of Silliman University and their readiness for college. In order to answer these primary research questions, the following questions have to be investigated. Number one, is there a significant relationship between college readiness and the content knowledge and basic skills of senior high school students? Number two, is there a significant relationship between the core academic skills and senior high school students' readiness for college? Number three, is there a significant relationship between college readiness and the non-cognitive skills of the senior high school students? In general, it is hypothesized that there is a correlation between the academic performances and the college readiness of senior high school students in Silliman University. The following hypothesis will also be tested. Number one, there is no significant relationship between college readiness and the content knowledge and basic skills of the senior high school students. Number two, there is no significant relationship between the core academic skills and the senior high school students' readiness for college. Number three, there is no significant relationship between college readiness and non-cognitive skills of the senior high school students.
Theoretical Framework. Rational choice theory interprets the educational choice of students as a series of binary selections between options that require extensive utility and alternatives that reduce the likelihood of failure in the brief period. The theory of rational choice is based on the premise that rational actors, individuals in an economy, are interested in making rational decisions based on rational calculations and knowledge that is rationally available. Reasonable actors form the cornerstone of theory of rational choice and are what makes the theory of rational choice successful. In considering individual and group actions, rational choice theory may be helpful. It helps to identify why, based on particular costs and incentives, individuals, groups, and society as a whole shift towards those choices. The theory of rational choice also helps explain apparently irrational behavior, since the principle of rational choice claims that all behavior is rational. It is possible to analyze any form of action for underlying rational motives. Rational choice theory is relevant and essential in assessing how students' behavior or action towards being ready for college are products of choice pertaining to their academic performance. Conceptual framework. The initial framework on which the study was based is shown in Figure 1. Academic performance helps indicate the skills necessary for college readiness. These are 1. Content knowledge and basic skills, 2. Core academic skills, and 3. Non-cognitive skills. Each skill has its own distinct qualities. Core academic skills, such as writing and critical thinking, are not subject-specific but enable students in a variety of disciplines to participate in work. The difference can be subtle between core academic skills and content knowledge and basic skills. But core academic skills involve writing, study abilities, oral communication, and critical thinking abilities, while content knowledge and basic skills are mostly about subjects such as science and mathematics. This distinction is important because by using rote memorization of algorithms, high school classes such as algebra can teach content such as factoring equations rather than involving students in solving problems that improve both deeper knowledge of the content and more general logic and critical thinking skills. Non-cognitive skills involve a range of activities that indicate greater self-awareness of the student, self-monitoring, and abilities to solve social problems.
Research design. This is a correlational study between the academic performance and college readiness of Silliman University's high school students. It will further discuss the relating factors such as content knowledge and basic skills, core academic skills, and non-cognitive skills. Research environment. The study will be conducted via online varying depending on the respondent's location. Respondents and sampling procedure. The participants of the study are male and female senior high school students who are enrolled as grade 11 and 12 in Silliman University. They will be identified through stratified random sampling technique.
Uh, Research instrument. The survey questionnaire that contains structured questions will be the tool for gathering data. Since the research aims to know if there is a correlation between the academic performance and college readiness of senior high students in Silliman University. The questionnaire will consist of questions out of the variables found in our study that are to be answered by strongly agree, moderately agree, moderately disagree, and strongly disagree to accommodate their own preferences. Next is data gathering procedure. The data gathering will be administered online by the researchers. The sampled students will answer the survey questionnaire with no time limit.
Data analysis procedure. Since the variables to be statistically examined will be in nominal scale, the chi-square test of independence will be used to test the null hypothesis. The level of significance is 0.05 and will be the basis to accept or reject null hypothesis.
Ethical considerations. The responses of students will be treated with utmost confidentiality, and their identity will remain anonymous in processing and interpreting the data. The process survey questionnaires will be deleted online after the data had been processed and interpreted in the report.
That will be the end of our presentation. And here is our list of references. Thank you.